In this video, we will talk about how to fix desktop icons not opening Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Check desktop icon settings. Right-click on the desktop. Take your cursor on View. Here you need to ensure Show Desktop Icons is checked. Method 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Now scroll it down and search for Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. So that's how you can fix desktop icons not opening Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.